Law of conservation of momentum. Students, today we discuss about law of conservation of momentum. What is the law of conservation of momentum? The momentum of an isolated system of two or more than two interacting bodies remains constant. Okay? In this definition, what is isolated system? An isolated system is a group of interacting bodies on which no external force is acting. You understand? Okay, what is isolated? Isolated mean when two bodies are acting, ठीक है? When two bodies are interacting with each other and no external force is acting on it, it is called isolated system. Now explain what is the law of conservation of momentum. Here we consider an isolated system of two spheres of masses m1 and m2. Students, we have here two masses m1 and m2. They are moving in a straight line with initial velocity u1 and u2. Because we are having masses m1, m1 is moving with velocity u1 and m2 is moving with velocity u2, such that u1 is greater than u2. ओके हमने कहा कि u1 जो है उसकी स्पीड जो है वो ग्रेटर है u2 से, और mass m1 approaches the sphere of mass as they move. ठीक है, so initial momentum of mass m1 is, we know what is the formula of momentum, p is equal mv. So m is equal m1 and v is equal to u1. u1 is a here velocity of mass 1. Now initial momentum of mass 2 is equal m2 u2. Here there are two spheres, okay, two spheres m1 and m2. Before collision they are moving, okay. The total final momentum of the system before collision, okay, that is equal m1 u1 plus m2 u2. At collision, okay, they are moving. After some time they collide with each other. After some time mass m1 hits m2 with some force. According to Newton's third law of motion, m1 exert an equal and opposite reaction force on m2. After collision, their velocities become v1 and v2. Students, m1 is moving with velocity v1 and m2 now moving with velocity v2. Then the final momentum of m1, mass m1 is equal m1 v1. Final momentum of mass m2 is equal m2 v2. The total final momentum of the system after collision is equal m1 v1 plus m2 v2. According to law of conservation of momentum, the total initial momentum of the system before collision is equal total final momentum of the system after collision. You know, m1 u1 plus m2 u2. It is total initial momentum of the system before collision is equal m1 v1 plus m2 v2. That is total final momentum of the system after collision. That is law of conservation of momentum. This equation shows that momentum of an isolated system before and after collisions remains the same, which is the law of conservation of momentum. Law of conservation of momentum is an important law and has vast applications. Students, I hope you understand it well. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.